This is Harold Magus. I met Dr. Mazza about 10 years ago, and he provided me with implants very successfully. And after a period of time, he provided me with a very graceful denture, which was very good and worked out very well over the years. Then I decided to have teeth replaced, and he made me um, um,
Preach.
a bridge, which he has successfully implanted onto the implant teeth. It's been very successful. Um, he adjusted the bite, um, polished my teeth, and did a wonderful job. And I would highly recommend Dr. Mazza to anyone for his professionalism, his knowledge of dentistry. Um, he's a great guy to know, a wonderful person. Our association has been one of pleasure, and I highly recommend Dr. Mazza to anyone for any type of dental procedure. And my bite feels good now. He spent a lot of time adjusting my bite, polishing my teeth. I feel good right now, and it's been very successful. And here again, I highly recommend Dr. Mazza to anyone who wants to have a great smile and a good outcome. Th- Thank you very much, and I thank Dr. Mazza for everything. He's a great guy, and he's a wonderful doctor and a wonderful dentist. Thanks again.